Question is, if sec a equal to root 10, find other 5 trigonometric ratios. So we have sec a equal to root 10. Suppose we have right triangle A, B, C, in which angle A is acute angle. Sec a, what root 10 can be written as root 10 upon 1. A sec is hypotenuse upon base. What is sec? Hypotenuse upon base for angle A. Hypotenuse is AC and base is AB. Let AC equal to root 10k unit, AB equal to 1k unit, where k is a positive number or positive constant. Now we have to find other 5 trigonometric ratios. AC is root 10k. AC is root 10k. AB is 1k. So by applying Pythagoras theorem in right triangle ABC, applying Pythagoras theorem in right triangle ABC, we have applying Pythagoras theorem in right triangle ABC, we have AB square plus BC square equal to AC square, hypotenuse square is sum of square of other two sides. What is AB? AB is 1k. What is BC? BC we have to find. What is AC? AC is root 10k. So 1k square plus BC square, this is 10k square. So BC square equal to 10k square minus 1k square. BC square equal to 9k square. Taking square root of both sides, BC is 3k. BC is 3k. Now we can find other trigonometric ratios. First is sine. First is sine. Sine A. Sine A is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. For angle A, perpendicular is BC. AC is hypotenuse. So BC is 3k. What is AC? AC is root 10k. K will cancel k. So this is equal to root 10. Next is cos A. What is cos A? Cos A is base upon hypotenuse. For angle A, base is AB. Hypotenuse is AC. AB is 1k. AC is root 10k. K will cancel k, so this is equal to 1 upon root 10. Next is tan A. Next is tan A. Tan A is perpendicular upon base. For this, BC is perpendicular and AB is base. So what is BC? BC is 3k. What is AB? AB is 1k. This is equal to 3 upon 1 equal to 3. Next is cot A. Cot is reverse of tan. So cot is base upon perpendicular. For this base is AB. For angle A, perpendicular is BC. AB upon BC. AB upon BC. What is AB? AB is 1K. What is BC? BC is 3K. K will cancel K. So this is equal to 1 upon 3. Next is cosec A. Cosec A is reverse of sine. Sine is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So cosec is hypotenuse upon perpendicular, h upon p. For angle A, hypotenuse is AC. For angle A, perpendicular is BC. So this is equal to AC upon BC. Root 10K upon BC. BC is 3K. So this is equal to root 10 upon 3. Now check, sine is 3 upon root 10. Cosec is reverse of sine. Root 10 upon 3. Cos is 1 upon root 10. Sec is reverse of cos. Tan is 3. Cot is reverse of tan. 1 upon 3. So students, if you like my teaching, please subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.